Hey folks, welcome back to Todd Bosley's world famous YouTube channel. We just made a major buyout of gold and silver, Ohio Trading Coin and Jewelry. I'm Todd Bosley. My number is 330-323-9775. We've got so much stuff here. It's really crazy. Now this is just a few examples of what I have. I have quite a bit of stock of everything that I'm showing you. These are very popular. These are called Combi bars. If you're not familiar with these, you probably will be in the real near future. So this is basically 100 grams of silver. They come in 10-gram bars. And they also make them in, look at this. That's 1 gram bars times 100. So if things get rough, you can actually take these out and you can just easily break them up and use them as currency. These are very popular. We have these in stock most of the time at Ohio Trading Coin and Jewelry. I just brought a little bit of what we have, so I just wanted to show you a little bit of what's going on. We have kilo bars, and we have a lot of them. So that's a 1,000-gram bar. We have, here it is, King Charles. That's his rookie coin right there. That's the Britannia. If you're not familiar with the Britannia, those are really neat. They're from England. 1 ounce of silver. They have Charles on the front. This is the first time he's ever been on a coin. It's 1 ounce of silver. It's probably a really good investment. If you think about it, like most rookie cards in baseball are really good. So rookie coins probably will be equally as good. All right. Here are some really beautiful 1/4 ounce gold. Came in. And look who's on the other side. There you go, the Queen. 1/4 ounce. These are proofs. These are price to move. Everything that we have. I don't quote prices in my videos because things go up and down all the time. And I want to be relevant. I want to be like in the mix. So we basically sell at, where spots moving to. Although we try to give our customers really good deals. That's why I make these videos. Here's the 10-ounce bar. Check that out. These are nice. They're little and they're compact. So if you think about it, this is a kilo right here, and this is a 10-ounce bar. So this kilo is 32.15 ounces. This is 10 ounces. So you can see how compact it is. These are really nice for safes if you're looking for an easy way to store silver. These little bars, they're probably only a couple inches long. Nice and thick, very heavy. These would make a great addition to your collection, especially if you're stacking. We have quite a few 1/10 ounce gold eagles. So this is 1/10 of an ounce of gold. They're not a bad buy. I really like eagles. I think these are good for most collectors. Maybe not my personal favorite. This is, however, though, one of my personal favorites. This is the Austria 1 ducat. And this is actually 0.11. So instead of 1/10, it's like 0.11 ounces of gold in this coin. And this coin is actually less expensive for 0.11 than this 1/10 ounce gold eagle. So when you're talking about investing in gold, especially with the prices, you got to look at your best value. At Ohio Trading, we try to point people to the right things, the things you should be putting your money into. And the ducat is really one of those things. Now, like in this particular purchase, we could only get 19 of these. These are harder to find because they're just a good value. So we have them in stock. I know that many of you have bought them from me in the past, but really they're just getting a lot harder to find. This one is dated 1915. So if you think about the date of this particular item in this condition, numismatically there's some value to it. But then when you consider that the spot price of gold is so high right now, this is probably your best way to go in gold, in my opinion. But we carry a lot of other things too. This is, for instance, is 1 gram of gold. And it's not a bad deal. Like I said, everything we have is priced to move. But you can just get 1 gram of gold. And to break it down for you, if you want to know what an ounce is 31.1 grams. So this is 1 gram. So you can actually buy this fairly affordably compared to buying an actual ounce. And I didn't bring out all the ounces and different things that we have right now. I'll show you a few of these. These are some things that we have priced right now. So this one is 1881. Look at that piece. Really nice. This is more of a numismatic coin, though, than it is a bullion coin. So stackers are different from numismatic people. I get it. But I just want to show you some of the selection that we have. This is a really nice deal here. This is a half sovereign. Show you some of that. And then I have just a whole big bag of gold that is just all kinds of things in it. These are more sovereigns. So this is gold. This is a gold half sovereign. It's a proof. I have some proof Britannias. I really like the Britannias because they keep their production limit low. It's not as high as some of the other mints. So those seem to be real good. There's just so many new things that have come in, and this table's a little disorganized, but I just wanted to kind of show you some of the new stuff that we have. Stuff comes and goes so fast that it's hard to kind of keep track of it all. Again, this is from the Royal Mint from 1977. Lots of nice pieces of gold, lots of silver. 1 ounce silver is still in short supply. It's really hard to get. It's been hard to get, actually, for probably the last 3 months, I would say. Most of the suppliers, the distributors, and the wholesalers, they're still at 7 or 8 weeks, depending on who you buy from. So a lot of the dealers are having quite a bit of trouble finding gold and silver. We seem to be running into a lot of private collections that are paying off for us. And hopefully we can help you with your needs. This, to me, though, this is your best investment overall. The 10-ounce silver bar. It has less of a premium than the 1 ounce, the 5 ounce. The kilos are a really great buy because you can buy these at less than spot than a 10-ounce bar, but you're dealing with 32 ounces at one time, which is kind of a lot for some people. And depending on where the economy goes, 32 ounces could be problematic depending on where we go. 10 ounces, not too bad. I mean, this is something that basically you could melt on your own if you had to and break it down. It's not that big of a deal. But this one is really nice. It's just compact, ready to go. Really like this piece. This has a low premium over spot. And remember, guys, if you're buying online, you need to really get an education before you buy. You can't just run out and buy off of a newspaper ad or eBay. You're going to get a bad deal. Unfortunately, there are so many people that come into my shop and they bring in coins which are not real or they're coated. Here is a 1 ounce Philharmonic, named after the orchestra and my man Mozart. Show you this coin. The Austrian 1 ounce. The Philharmonic. This is solid silver. So there's 1 ounce of silver in this coin. It's not coated. It's not pretend. It's for real. Now, these coins have a little more of a premium, for instance, than this 10-ounce bar would, because this is just basically a generic 10-ounce bar. This is like the equivalent to the U.S. Eagle. So you have the Austrian Philharmonic, and then you have the Britannia, which is made by England. And unfortunately, I don't have any other examples. But basically, every country kind of makes, any major country kind of makes their own coin. And each of them have different premiums to them. However, if you're just looking to acquire silver, and this silver is being used in the production of electric vehicles, solar, medicine, and guess what? They've shut a lot of the major silver mines down. There's not a big supply of silver. Silver is very hard to find. If you can hear that sound, that's only the sound that silver makes. If you try to put brass and plate it with anything, it does not sound like that. It's the silver ping, if you can hear that. Silver ping is what people are looking for, because that right there, folks, is the single best, the only, the most, the best conductor of electricity that there is in the whole world. Nothing better than silver. That's why silver is so important to the production of electric vehicles. Silver costs $35 an ounce to get out of the ground. They just recently, in the last year, shut the largest mine down because the price of silver is only around $25. And when it costs $35 to get it out of the ground, and you can only sell it for 20 some dollars, well, it doesn't take very long to figure that out. You can't make any money if it costs that much to get out of the ground and you can sell it for less. So that's why a lot of these silver mines are on hold. But it's also why silver is so hard to find. And in my opinion, and even though I'm not an investment advisor, never will be, I'm just a guy that says it's a great time to buy silver. Run the numbers, get online, check it out. But folks, more importantly than any of that, make sure that you do your homework and make sure you're dealing with a reputable person, especially somebody that's licensed in their state. They need to be a precious metals dealer. If you're not dealing with a precious metals dealer and they don't have the equipment to show you that what you're buying is real, you need to run and not walk. And I mean run and get away from that, because if you're putting your hard-earned money into precious metals, make sure that they're real and make sure that it's a good value. And at Ohio Trading Coin and Jewelry, we offer great values, just like this little 10-ounce bar. You can't find something this beautiful anywhere for the price that we sell it for. Not even online, folks. Even when you look online and it looks like it's a great deal, when you factor in what you're paying and the shipping and the insurance and all the stuff that goes along with that, nobody, and I guarantee you, nobody can beat my price right here. And that's why I sell so much silver and gold. If you're interested, give me a call. I deal in all 50 states. A little bit of international, but not too much. Give me a call. My name is Todd Bosley. I own Ohio Trading Coin and Jewelry, and I would love to deal with you. 330-323-9775. Folks, hope you have a great day, and feel free to call or text me. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.